A brand new feature has arrived on Google Services for Android. Now you can share photos and videos instantly using a QR code. If you're using a newer version of Android, this feature is likely already installed, no setup needed. To try it out, I open my phone's gallery and selected a photo. Then, I tapped the Share button and chose Nearby Share. Depending on your Android version, this might also be labeled as Quick Share or Simply Share. Next, I made sure Bluetooth was turned on. This step is required for the feature to work. Then I tapped Use QR code, and just like that, a QR code appeared on screen. On the other phone, open the camera app and scan the QR code. A pop-up appeared with an option to open link. I tapped it, and the transfer began right away. The file was successfully received on the second device. This is a fantastic alternative to traditional sharing methods, especially when the devices aren't nearby or not already connected. Give this feature a try, and let me know how it works for you in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.